2 plus 2 equals 4, and 30 divided by 1 equals 30, but this answer is completely wrong because we didn't follow the PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS is an acronym that shows the order of operations in math. P stands for parentheses, E for exponents, M for multiplication, D for division, A for addition, and S for subtraction. Operations inside parentheses and exponents are done first, then multiplication/division, and finally addition/subtraction from left to right. Multiplication and division, as well as addition and subtraction, have equal priority. Thank you for staying with us until now. By subscribing and liking, you give us the energy to create even better content. We have division and multiplication here, and according to the PEMDAS rule, we solve from left to right. Here, we handle division using the KCF method. The KCF rule is a simple method for dividing fractions. According to this rule, we first keep the first fraction as it is, keep, then change the division sign to multiplication, change, and finally flip the second fraction to its reciprocal, flip. After these three steps, we multiply the two fractions to obtain the final result. Now, according to the KCF rule, we write 30 itself, change the division sign to multiplication, and take the reciprocal of 1/2, which gives 2. Then, multiplying 2 and 30 gives 60. And as a result, 60 multiplied by 2 equals 120. That's all for this one. Join our growing community by subscribing today. Let us know in the comments what you want to see next.